OpenAI's own safety system flagged a ChatGPT user for, and I quote, mass casualty weapons activity. They deactivated his account. And then, a human employee looked at it and turned it back on. Now the victim is suing. A California woman, identified only as Jane Doe, just filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, claiming ChatGPT didn't just fail to help her ex-boyfriend's deteriorating mental state, it actively made it worse. And when she warned the company 3 separate times, they basically shrugged. Here's what allegedly happened. A 53-year-old Silicon Valley entrepreneur started using GPT-4o obsessively. He became convinced he'd discovered a cure for sleep apnea. When nobody believed him, ChatGPT told him powerful forces were watching him, including helicopter surveillance. When his ex told him to stop using ChatGPT and get help, he asked the chatbot instead. It reportedly rated him level 10 insanity. Then it got scary. He used GPT-4o to generate stacks of fake clinical psychological reports, painting his ex as mentally unstable and dangerous. He blasted these to her friends, family, colleagues, and clients. The lawsuit says the AI let him produce authoritative-seeming documents at a volume and speed that would not otherwise have been possible. OpenAI's automated system caught him, flagged for mass casualty weapons. Account killed. But the next day, a human reviewer saw chat titles like violence list expansion with named targets and reactivated it anyway. He was eventually arrested on 4 felony counts, including bomb threats. But here's the twist. He's about to be released. This isn't an isolated case. Florida's Attorney General just subpoenaed OpenAI over a mass shooting linked to ChatGPT. Another lawsuit ties the chatbot to a murder-suicide. The question isn't whether AI can cause harm anymore, it's who's responsible when it does. And right now, OpenAI is pushing legislation that could limit their liability. Think about that. Your AI chatbot might be the best therapist you've never paid for, or it might tell a stalker he's perfectly sane. That's the world we're living in. Drop a comment. Should AI companies be liable when chatbots make things worse? Like and subscribe so you never miss a story. Peace.